Welcome back to Top for Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to check for a bad wheel bearing, and I'm going to tell you guys when it is time to replace it. Before checking for a bad wheel bearing, make sure the lugs are not loose and make sure they are tight. If there's a missing lug or a stud is broken, you still can check for a bad wheel bearing. Just make sure all the other lugs are tight. Next, you're going to check for play. So grab the tire at 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock and rock it in and out. Make sure there is no movements. Next, grab the tire by 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock and rock it side to side. Make sure there is no movements. If there are movements, then the wheel bearing is worn and it's time to replace it. Next, grab the wheel and spin it. There should be no abnormal noise. You hear that sound? That is the brake pad rubbing against the rotor. So this wheel bearing is not bad. The noise I'm looking for is a grinding noise or some sort of metallic noise. If you're not mechanically inclined and you don't have a floor jack and you don't have a jack stand and you don't want to lift up the vehicle just because you have no experience, well, there are a few ways you could check for a bad wheel bearing. And the first test is going to be listening for sound. So next, you're going to take your vehicle for a test drive and make sure to lower all your windows and listen for sound. A bad wheel bearing will make a grinding noise, a whirring noise, a humming noise, and so on. And the noise would gradually increase as speed increases. When you're taking the vehicle for a test drive, keep in mind that you're sitting on the driver's seat and your ear is going to hear most of the noise on the driver's side and on the front end. So make sure when you're driving, make sure to lean closer to the center of the cabin so you can hear sound coming from both sides of the vehicle. Here is an example. If you're hearing noise coming from the front end on the passenger side and you suspect that wheel bearing is bad, and again, if you're not mechanically inclined and you don't want to lift up the vehicle, you can always have somebody observe that wheel when you're taking the vehicle for a test drive. Now, if you're going up and down the street, have that person observe that wheel. And if that wheel is wobbling, even if it's just wobbling a little bit, that wheel bearing is bad. And again, make sure the lugs are not loose. So that's how you check for a bad wheel bearing or bad wheel bearing hub assembly. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.